Hela Dinja. Hi everyone, I'm Lauren. If you love Scotland, feel oddly attached to your cozy jumpers, romanticize your food shop, or talk to your dog like he's a person, I think we're already friends. I've been sharing Scottish Gaelic content online for a few years now, not because I'm learning it, but because it's part of who I am. Something I grew up with and something that I care deeply about, and over time it's grown into this lovely little space where people like us find each other. People who care about the language, the culture, and share a passion for Scotland. But Gaelic is only one part of my world, so now I'm starting to share a bit more of the rest. Life in the city, coastal walks, some easy recipes, outfits I feel good in, and the little joys that I want to remember. The real life stuff. Of course, with plenty of Scottish Gaelic at the heart of it. And if that sounds like your thing, then you're more than welcome here. I'd love to know what you'd like to see more of, so leave me a comment, say hello. Let's make this feel like the friend group we all need. Cheery and Trasta!